We have always been here, caring for our friends, our families, our neighbors, and we will continue to be here into the future. This renovation and expansion reflects our enduring commitment to this community to help every person live a longer, healthier life right here at home.
We firmly believe there is no greater investment in the future of our community than supporting the development of a new surgery facility. This project ensures that not only will we continue to receive the exceptional care that we have come to expect from Trinity Regional Medical Center, but so will our children, our grandchildren, and future generations.
Healthcare access is not just about treatment, it's about community confidence. It is about families knowing that they can stay here, grow here, and age here with outstanding care right close to home. This project reinforces the Fort Dodge region and Webster County as a place where innovation, investment, and compassion come together to support a thriving future.
1, 2, 3!
2024, we did over 5,300 surgical operations. We want to see that number continue to improve, continue to expand, and that is definitely a huge possibility. We got approval from the state, and actually it's landed on the campus here of the surgical Da Vinci Xi robot. That's giving us, the latest technology. There's nothing like that in the region. It's just going to help provide better care for the patients in this community.
Last fall, I had a few concerns dealing with some stomach pain and cramps. And after several tests and scopes, I was diagnosed with cancer in my small intestine. Several friends and acquaintances asked how I was feeling and where was I going to get my surgery done. My answer was fairly quick and swift to all of them with confidence. I'm having my surgical procedure at Unity Point Health in Fort Dodge. There is a very small time gap from the time I was diagnosed to the actual procedure. The speed and timing of the local care made all the difference. After the removal of the cancer and testing, it was determined that the aggressive stage 2 cancer would have had a much different outcome had I waited a few months going elsewhere. My procedure outcome has been excellent, and after several follow-up visits here at Unity Point, all of my tests confirmed negative and no signs of cancer.
Growth Alliance is proud to support initiatives like this that directly improve the quality of life for our residents while advancing the mission we all share in building a region where people want to live, work, and belong.
Our leadership team here at Unity Point Health Fort Dodge has been working on this project for over 5 years. It's been a need for well over 5 years, but we've been aggressively pursuing this for 5 years now, and it's great to see it finally come through.
And since announcing this project, we've already recruited a new general surgeon and added an orthopedic surgeon to our group. We have a wonderful, skilled, and compassionate group of surgeons right here in our community, and we want them to stay. This project helps us with that.
Your generosity is not only deeply appreciated, it is truly making a difference in the lives of our neighbors, our friends, those that are in our community.